Hello, my name is Nadine, owner of NG Platinum Homes, and welcome to another episode of What Makes This Design Great. And I am at KBIS 2025, and I am here with Berna, and she is with Genesis Products, and she's going to show and talk to us about some amazing products that they have. So thank you for taking the time to talk to me.
Of course, my pleasure.
So let's talk first about this product here. You were explaining a little bit to me about how it works and the care and tender loving care that you guys did to find this and make it so great. So explain to the audience what's going on here.
Yeah, so this is a new launch. This is a brand new product that we just developed. We curated the special program really to kind of meet a niche in the industry, in the kitchen cabinet business and the closet business, really to kind of hone and curate a well-rounded set of products. So it's very difficult for kitchen cabinet manufacturers to find all of the cabinet sides and all of the components, the edge banding, the TFL, the HPL, and all of the papers that they need in a lot of different programs, and make sure that they match well. They typically have to go to 3 or 4 manufacturers just to find those products. And it takes them months to get the right matches and get it developed. And sometimes there are huge minimum roll costs and stuff like that, especially on edge banding. And then what we've tried to do is create a really robust collection of colors, and
I love that.
Yeah, they're very popular. We did a little survey last year just to find out what's trending, just to make sure that we curated the walnuts and the oaks and the number of finishes, this beautiful matte colors that we have, just to make sure that we had all of the components that matched very precisely. And then people, when you put a cabinet together, they cannot tell the difference between any of those components. So we're using all of the TFL, HPL, and the 2D, 3D papers that we make the doors and all of the components for any of the kitchen cabinet business that you would need to make those products are all curated in one space.
That's great. And I love the array of colors because, there's a lot of times people are looking for a specific brown or me being a contractor, I hear that all the time. Well, we'll take them samples and it's not quite right because some people only have a limited amount of colors that you can work with. So the fact that you guys have so many and it gives people so many options is great.
Yeah, we have 38 different curated colors that we've done these matches for. And we are doing a survey to find that next phase and see what those new colors are going to be, and new textures, because texture is also a component of it that really has to kind of blend well, not just on the floor, but also the edge banding. They need to match as well. Or, people notice those things.
Attention to detail. Yes, that's one of my favorite things. I love it. Thank you so much for showing us your product. It was amazing.
Well, thank you.
And stay tuned for the next episode.